quick LoD builds, Lightning Blizzard Source. For my main cast, I'm using Lightning plus synergies such as Charge Bolt, Lightning, Chain Lightning, followed by Lightning Masteries. Always put 1 into Warmth for your mana regeneration, 1 into Teleport. So for all these lightning spells for the synergies, I'm getting them up to about 15. But with gear on, it's about like 20 at the moment, I think. Where it'll start looking something like this. Follow that up with making your way down to Blizzard. You only need 1 in each of these down to Blizzard because it's not for your attacking spells. Like and follow for more D2 builds.